Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the actor top event in Heartopia. So in this new spring update of Heartopia, there's a fun new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic. And inside this event, you can join a new bird watching event that called the actor top event, where you can bird watching a special bird in this event. And to participate, you can simply join the event that hosted by Bailey J every day at 4 p.m. Or if you want, you can also host the event yourself by paying 2,000 gold to Bailey J. And for this tutorial, I'm going to start the event by myself. So first, I want to go to the event area. Just tap on go to teleport to the area, like this. And the event is located at the forest. And then just go to this area to jump puzzle forest over here. This point, and then next just tap on the bird tree, and then after that just simply tap on start actor dove event, like this, and then just confirm. And in here you will cost 2,000 gold, so just tap on confirm. And then next in here you can invite your friends to join in, like this. Just invite the friends, like this, and then just wait until all your friends are coming. And once all the players are ready, just start the event, like this. And then after that, all you need to do is follow the event and complete it until the end. And okay, that's how you can join the actor dove event in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.